Here I have INFINIX Zero 3X552, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key. And after it turns off, you have to hold down combination volume down and power key for a few seconds. And you will enter factory mode. You can use volume down to navigate through factory mode and power key to select options. And here you have such options like auto test, manual test, item test, test report, test result, debug test, clear YMMC, version and reboot. To exit factory mode, you just have to select this last option, reboot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.